Do you have some arugula at home and you don't know what to do? Follow me for a super healthy and easy recipe. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am the vegan Bossa. Today I will prepare for you a very tasty arugula salad with little greeny leaf. It's actually full of minerals, potassium, calcium and folates, which makes it perfect for the summertime. So today I will prepare for you a very tasty salad. Follow me. Today I will prepare a very simple arugula salad. Start by placing carefully the arugula in a plate. Then add some half-cutted tomatoes. I prefer the cherry tomatoes because they are sweet and they kind of balance with the peppery flavor of the rucola. Then add some red bell peppers because they are full of vitamin C, and add some avocado because it's full of healthy fats. It's all about nourishing our bodies. Then salt it. Add some black sesame seeds because they are very good for digestion and for healthier bones. And at the end, sprinkle some chili flakes, which are very good and they speed up your metabolism. To garnish at the end, I use the balsamic vinegar and some olive oil. I love to prepare simple dishes with few ingredients, and the quality of ingredients is of high importance. So be sure to choose a very good balsamic vinegar and a very good quality of olive oil, and enjoy it! I hope you enjoyed this tasteful summertime salad, and if you like this video, please subscribe and give some thumbs up, and see you the next time!